So as I'm cleaning, the birds are enjoying the bath. I don't really let them out too much. Keep them in. So let them enjoy it. Can't wait for some young ones from that one. Looks like I might have to repair it for some reason. It's just not, the male's not really. So let's see what we do with that one again.